Yo, yo, yo. Mic check, mic check. Mic check. Good morning, good morning to everybody joining up. What's up? A breaker block is when the order block doesn't reject off of. I'll give you examples right now, brother. Give me a second. Give me 1 second. A unicorn just happened. Did it really? We missed out. Oof, beautiful unicorn. The fucking unicorn, bro. We're gonna start here shortly. Let me just fix everything. Let me get some people in here. If it was in macro, it wouldn't work. Fuck, don't even tell me about it, bruh. Cause I'm tweaking already. Nah, we're not. We're not tweaking. We're chilling. Shit, but we're in a risky situation right now with the balance. But I support. If y'all like soccer, I support Real Madrid. We love comebacks. We're gonna see what happens. We're gonna see what happens. La remontada, yes, sir. I mean, our chart reading has been very correct. We've had good patience. We've had good direction. We just had a bad execution. Are you dropping your lessons today? Do y'all want the lesson today? Or should I drop it Monday? ASAP. Sheesh. Alright, alright. My bro wants it ASAP. That's crazy, bro. Fair enough. I mean, we've just been getting the same price action, no? It's always like a drop in pre-market, and then are we just gonna chop our way up? It's just been the same shit repeating itself. We're gonna establish our bias in a few minutes. Join the stream on YouTube. What's up, Sam? What up, brother? You doing good now, brother? Yeah, I'm doing good. I mean, Yeah. In the moment, it was brutal, but then I prayed a little, I meditated, I cleared my head, I went for a walk, and I was just like, bro, it's just whatever, bro. It's just one bad day. At least I didn't blow my account. And even then, it's just one fun day, like I'm so happy and blessed that there's a lot of room to improve and a lot to work on, but I'm just so happy that I found a strategy that actually works. Like I'm just so glad about it. I know that if I refine and I tweak those small little things, I'm gonna be profitable in no time. I'm not worried about that, it's just a matter of time. But I gotta keep streaming, I gotta keep uploading, I gotta keep showing up, not give up. I know the reward is going to be beautiful. Keep up with the streams, bro. Every stream has had more viewers than the last. That is true, brother. That is true. I'm just happy that I'm getting a lot of like support because um, I like I know I'm providing value to y'all, and I know y'all are learning and shit, and that's super encouraging. That y'all can pick my brain and benefit from it. That's great because y'all are helping me. So I appreciate it. I'm truly grateful and blessed for real. Damn, what a pump. Turn off the executions for a bit. Then the high taken out on M Q but not on the S. I fucking love smacking this thing. Um, let's see. Let me just. I'm not gonna establish the bias yet, but I just want to see the daily. It really wants to trade into this daily. Pair value gap. Damn, we're close to all-time highs, bro. Like, why the fuck are we pumping, dog? Like, isn't there like chaos out there right now? I don't even know why the fuck we're pumping. What a fucking drop he had. Sheesh. Turning off the bullish imbalance. Do have this bearish 4 hour. A lot of buy side liquidity to be taken. Establish our bias in 7 minutes. We're chilling for now. We're just watching, but what a pump we had right now in the market open. ES edged London high. Week of November 10 is drawn liquidity. Do y'all see what happened with yesterday's trade? It ended up taking the whole sell side. You hate to see it. A lot of buy side to be taken. We're gonna wait 5 more minutes to establish our buys. Probably in January. I'm gonna keep trading this account. I'm not gonna buy any more accounts in December because price action is garbage, and I don't want to give my money to the prop firm. But come January, I'm probably gonna buy some combines, try to pass them, copy trade some funded, probably de-risk a little bit. Like I said, I'm super. I have a lot of conviction in the model, and I trust it down to the bone. You about to trade with the news? Let's check the news. We didn't even check the news. Thank you for the reminder. Damn. We have some big news. Probably not. We're gonna watch. We're gonna see price action. I mean, there's nothing to trade off of anyway. Just a pump. I'm still gonna establish the bias. This could easily just be the manipulation, but we have been trending up. We're in a clear uptrend. Probably want to take this liquidity. Even just that. What is your strategy and win rate? I trade the unicorn. My win rate right now is a measly 50%. I don't have enough data from forward testing to establish a win rate. I want to do a back test to see back testing what my win rate can be. I honestly hate back testing, but I trust the unicorn. I'm not gonna change my strategy ever again. That's all I'm gonna trade for the rest of my life, and I'm gonna make that shit work. Just a matter of time. Gotta keep showing up though. My first year of professionally trading is about to conclude, and looking back and in hindsight, I learned a lot of shit about myself and about the charts. And I'm super optimistic and hyped for year two, honestly. I'm ready. We're gonna establish our buys 2 minutes, 9:40. Kind of got somewhat of a volume imbalance here by a couple ticks. We have SMTs at the highs, and we have SMT here. Good luck, my friend. Thank you, sir. How many trades do you trade per week, and what is your daily trading limit? If we win, it's a one and done. But if we lose or break even, I take one more trade. So at most, I do 2 trades per day. We're actually about to get a unicorn right here. We might do an early entry. We're having market structure shift with ES as well. Stops at the highs. Target the lows just about. We got to shift the market structure on both. Only thing it's not macro yet. Trading off a 4-hour, 1-hour imbalance. We respected this bullish PD array, but displaced off here. Just dumped. There's a lot of room to go. ES still doesn't displace. ES displaced. Market structure shift on ES. Ideally, we get tapped inside the macro. No FEG on ES though. Are you in this trade? No, I'm not. I want to see us reach this breakaway gap right here. I'm in no rush to take it though. Do you take trade outside the macro? Nah, only inside the macro. About 1 more minute. Please trade at your own risk. I am not an expert nor financial advice, hence my P&L. Please be careful. Clearly, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. The market is unpredictable. It could do whatever it wants. We're gonna get a new 15-minute candle right here with the macro to start.
Order filled.
We're in the trade. Mm. Why did you take this trade? What's your reasoning? We had a breaker block with a breakaway gap. We have SMTs at the highs. We NQ swept London high. ES didn't. Trading inside of bearish higher time frame PD arrays with SMTs at the highs. ES just swept. We're about to get cooked.
Order filled.
And we got cooked. Just like that. I might full port the last 486. Not gonna lie. We're gonna wait. ES didn't make a IFVG to take this trade. We have red folder news. I mean, yeah, but still the setup. First unicorn that doesn't work. I mean, yeah, just in looking in hindsight, we traded off this 5 minute, respected it. We have this liquidity to be taken bullish. Inversed these higher time frame PD race. We got caught in shorts. I'm gonna journal it regardless. I'm gonna full port the last that I have on the account. About $500 left, 600. Either we make it back or we blow it. Brutal losing streak. Down to $400. We're about to inverse the 4 hour FVG. The thing is, you assume the imbalance gets respected until the candle closes. So we could always wake that 4 hour. But hey, look, it tapped that liquidity zone to the tick. We have news in a bit. Why full port split into two trades is what I do. I mean, I have. Fuck, you're right. Yeah, I do. I do have two trades left in the tank. I mean, I lose nothing, right? I lose nothing by splitting it into two trades. I mean, that could be a crazy comeback. A win of 1 to 2 and you're back at 1K. Yes, sir, you're right. Or should I just like risk like $200 and give myself like three trades? Nah. I'm gonna stick to the plan. Just stick to the plan. Yeah, no point of full port. Yeah, no, bro. Split into two trades. All right. That's crazy. Thank you, guys. We're gonna split it into two trades. Brutal. Just fucking brutal. I mean, all of the second trades, two trades, two trades, all of the second trades, none should have happened because, yeah, hindsight, boss. On eval, you should definitely risk more. We have news in 2 minutes. There's news in a minute. Times like this is what I try to focus on. What makes me confident. I blew my funnel account last night for being dumb and trading Asia. Just not my trading session. I was up 1,300. Fuck, that sucks, bro. Yeah, stick to one session. for sure. I mean, even though we're close to blowing it here, like I'm not even. I don't feel anything egotistical wise because before my ego was super attached to the P&L, and it was so painful to like I would have probably full ported the last trade that I took. If y'all weren't watching, I would have full ported the last trade. Um we had a rough week, bro, like brutal trades. Brutal trades. At the end, these are the times where we need to survive as traders and where we need to remain the strongest mentally because there days like this are bound to happen where you slip up in your in your trade management because we're human, but the point is survival because I know the unicorn works, and I'm gonna keep trying. I'm gonna keep nagging at it. I'm not like one more blown account. What? I'm gonna get another eval 100% probably come January because December price action whack. I'm excited for 2026. I'm looking at the higher time frame. I know I'm gonna make that road to glory shit happen. It's gonna happen. We had a brutal week, honestly. A brutal, like with hindsight and all, but we shouldn't be at this balance, but we are. No excuses. Like I said, I'm super happy and excited that I found my model. I'm gonna stick to the unicorn. I'm not gonna switch anything up. I'm gonna keep trying. I'm gonna keep trying. Let's fucking go. I know you'll make it 100%. Appreciate you, brother. This is a turning point, bro. You look back at this and see how you were resilient. Yeah. That's the point, documenting everything. All these live streams, the reels on YouTube, I mean on Instagram. It would be dope to reach like day fucking 200 on the reels and look back at this. Actually, the whole hero's journey, everything documented. Like I said, I know this is the way, this is the path I need to go down. I'm super hyped and excited. There's a lot of room for improvement. It's just a test, bro. I was trying to see how disciplined, bro. I've been praying and I've been telling God, keep testing me, bro. Keep putting challenges and adversities my way so I could keep learning. And He delivered. He was quick with it too. Like I said, I'm just so ready for 2026. I'm super hyped. The community's growing. I'm so hyped about that too. Um, I'm gonna keep making videos, keep streaming, keep doing reels. I'm super grateful and fulfilled that I'm providing value and impact to a lot of people. And that to me is just insane. Whenever I do get payouts, I have some plans as well with the money, giving back. I'm just hyped. I'm hyped. I know, and I know y'all know too. So we're chilling. We're big chilling. I mean, the news was whack. No, there was nothing. The fuck was that news? The wackiest news of all time? The fuck? Oops. I mean, there's a lot of equal highs to be taken. If I get a payout, I'm gonna give away an account in this community. Sam Trades fucking said it already. Y'all better put him accountable. We pinned you, brother. Pin of shame. No going back. Now, 100%. I was. There's so much I want to do with a payout, bro, but can't speak for the future. Gotta be input focused. Gotta keep mastering the craft. Gotta stick with the discipline, with the routine. Keep reading the trader's manuscript. Everything, bro. I'm just. If y'all. Shit. If y'all fucking. Like I said, I encourage y'all to record yourself and document your journey. I can guarantee it's going to help you improve 100%. Like, why the fuck are we pumping, dog? There's nothing to be happy about. I guess companies keep printing. Let's look at the heat map. I think it's going to take that daily FVG. Looks to be the draw. I mean, pretty stale day. Meh. Yeah, that daily FVG does look juicy. It looks to be like the clear draw. November 10th. Weak high draw on liquidity is taking. You called it, brother. We're pumping. We also did get like a 3-minute unicorn here right before the news, but like I said, there's still things in my life that I'm still sending. I need to cut off, bro. Ugh, need to cut off. Everything that's holding me back, I need to cut that shit off. Because the things that I have cut off have helped me improve drastically, but I know I still have some baggage. Like I said, there's still a lot of room to improve. Breaking the habit of being yourself. Thanks for the recommendation, brother. I'm actually gonna buy that shit. Breaking habit of being yourself. What the hell? It gets here today, bro. That's crazy. Ordered that shit. What a fucking V-shaped recovery, bro. All the shorts that we've taken have just been fucking pullbacks, bro. Clear uptrend. Crazy. We're just gonna keep pumping. We're definitely gonna wait for the next macro to look for a trade. Do we align with the higher time frame? Look for long? Probably. I wanna take a minute and look back at this week's trades. What the hell happened? We took a short here that we capitalized on Monday for a clean 2 to 1. No drawdown, just straight dump. That's what you want to see. Efficient price action. This was on Monday, which was a win. Let's jump to Tuesday. Let's find it. Here it is. On Tuesday, we took a short on the first trade, which we got stopped at a small loss. Not really that small. We got stopped out right there at a loss. Our original position was here, targeting for a 2 to 1. Just about. I think I have my take profit targeting these equal lows right here. And we got cooked. This is the first trade where it all started. We got top ticked right there. Moved my stop loss prematurely because I had said at first that I was gonna move to break even once we take this low. And this low did not get taken, and I adjusted my stop loss to above this high because we swept minor. And we got top ticked right there. And price ends up trading beautifully to our take profit. And then the second trade was garbage because this trade shouldn't have happened. I need a like this is part of journaling. Like I'm noticing that I'm forcing the second trade. This trade shouldn't have happened because we should have won this trade. Should have, would have, whatever, but goes to show that the unicorn plays out and the unicorn happens. This is Tuesday where we took a loss. Let's go Wednesday. And it's just same thing. It's super comforting as well to just see it in hindsight because like I said, I know this shit works. And I know by I fucked up by human error, not by trading error, you know. I remember this trade. Let's see. Let's actually 577 because it was the same thing. 77. We took it all the way up here. We almost got stopped out. I think it was just about this high. We almost got stopped out. Targeting a 2 to 1. It was higher because my 2 to 1 was just not. Bro, this is brutal, bro. We missed our take profit by 2 ticks on Wednesday. Another good trade, stop loss set. We displaced. Obviously, I moved my stop loss to break even, and we got out break even. We got cooked by 2 ticks on Wednesday. And then the same thing that happened on Tuesday. We took a stupid second trade, um, where I got stopped out immediately. But like I said, the second trade shouldn't have happened because I should have won on this first one. I should have manual closed, realistically. This should have been a manual close because I was already up like 550, 560. Should have, would have, hindsight boss, you know. This trade shouldn't have happened. Should have been a win. Same thing as Tuesday. Now let's go Thursday, which was yesterday. We patiently waited for the last macro. Initially, my entry was up here, but I moved it down here in the 2 minute because we had another breakaway gap. I had a type stop loss above this high because in efficient price action, price shouldn't come back, but we ended up delivering all the way down to sell side. I wouldn't have held this long, obviously, but just goes to show that the reading was correct, the entry was correct. I could have exited in any of these, and we would have had a different story. Woulda, shoulda, you know? Is that a cat in your bed? Nah, it's a dog. Like I said, should have been a win, but what happened is I did a re-entry, which was valid, but I clicked sell on a limit instead of a market, giving me a nasty entry, and I just manual closed because I got scared and I wasn't willing to blow my account then and there. But if we would have held, it would have played out beautifully. Woulda, shoulda, whatever. I mean, overall, I shouldn't be trading today because in theory I had to win maybe two out of the three. I had to win, or maybe at least one, bro. Woulda, shoulda, whatever. I mean, like I said, the reading, the patience was correct, the bias was correct, the entries were correct. Just my trade management was incorrect. And if that's where I'm fucking up, it's something under my control. You know, it's something I can actually improve on. It's something because if the strategy wouldn't be working, it's like what can you do, right? Switch strategies. But the strategy is actually working. The entry model's playing out. Stacking confluences is playing out. The reading is correct. The bias is correct. The patience is there. I'm waiting for the setups. So, like I said, of a very bittersweet week. I'm taking a couple sips of copium right now, for sure. But like I said, it's part of journaling and part of reviewing and looking back. I might even backtest this week. Probably tomorrow or on Sunday, I'm gonna backtest this week, like the whole week, just to see how I would have done differently, and just keep building habits and keep stacking on it. Can't be too mad. Copium never fails, brother. It never does. Like it's actually very comforting, you know. It's like I'm very. It feels good, bro. It feels good to know that by fucking human error I missed. It feels good to know that I made mistakes, you know, because it shows that there's a lot to improve and there's a lot to work on, and it shows that I'm not there yet, but I will be. We're gonna lower our mistakes for sure. I'm gonna improve on my trade management. Cause the model works. That's the thing. The model works. Every model works. It's just abiding to it and sticking to it. That's the thing. We're gonna wait around 20 more minutes for the new macro. If y'all have any questions, trading, personal, I didn't see y'all books recommendations. Another book from me, Overthinkers. So great book, Best Losers Wins. Well, I actually have it right here, brother. The Best Loser Wins, which is yours, my boy Fer. He's my IRL friend. He lent me that book. He told me he was gonna start recording his process, and he capped straight to my face. Straight to my face. But he's doing good. I don't wanna like expose him or nothing, but he's been trading good, supposedly, cause I don't know. He's a mysterious man. A really good audiobook about trading and future trading is Mastering Trading Psychology by Andrews. Totally deserve the roast. No comment, brother. No comment. Also, another thing, like ever since, I mean, all this social media shit has been going on like so fast, and I've had like such a routine, and I enjoy it. I've been sleeping fucking early and waking up fucking early, bro. No alarm. Like I'm waking up 5 a.m., 6 a.m., sleeping at 10. I used to be a fucking night owl, struggle with sleep, and now look at me looking forward to the morning. I'm actually always looking forward to stream and talk to you. I'm not gonna lie. And like I said, it's very fulfilling to know that I've been helping, even though my P&O isn't there yet to reflect what I try to preach. We like pub 200 points from open. Yup. I mean, it was this, like, is it just me or that like all the pre-markets have looked the same where just dumps and we're like trading inside here on open? Wasn't this the same shit that happened yesterday? Yeah, same thing. Dump. That's how I am right now. Not gonna lie, I've been staying up like 6 hours for market open and stream. It's that routine, finding that routine. Because I used to like wake up super like sleeping 4 hours and bad sleep, and then you wake up for like market open and you're all like drooly, taking shit trades, looking to gamble real quick so you could go back to bed, looking to make 2,000 on one trade. Classic. Fucking classic. I'm actually this weekend what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start sending emails. I'm trying to get affiliate like Alpha Futures, Apex. Shit, I'm trying to get some free accounts. I'm not gonna lie. I'm trying to get some free accounts for myself and some free accounts for y'all to give away. And obviously, I don't make any money off the stream, off the Instagram. I don't make any money off YouTube. I don't sell a course. I'm my that no Discord paid, free journal. There's nothing for sale. So I do want to monetize this in some shape, way, or form without selling a course or a mentorship. So I could keep doing the streams, keep funding this delusional dream. But I'm gonna have to send a couple emails. I was also thinking about emailing TradeZella because my journals and Google Sheets, I feel like I could improve in TradeZella. And if they could affiliate me, that would be fucking dope. But I gotta send some emails and I gotta do the work, which I'm gonna do after the stream. After I edit the video and upload. We're waiting for the macro. I already got contacted by one prop firm and I had a meeting with them, but I'm not gonna lie, they were fucking sketchy and I would never promote sketchy shit. I mean, they weren't sketchy, right? I actually liked talking to the guy. He was very sound and I related to him in a lot of ways. Um, he's very big in the prop firm is big, but in the Dubai market, he was like his offer was very enticing, but I just couldn't do it to you all. Like I don't want to promote bullshit. I mean, I was obviously gonna trade the firm and everything, but like I don't know, bro. I'm not gonna go with the first offer I get because, bro, honestly, the engagement that I'm getting is just insane. I mean, they lowered because of the results, but I mean, even then, like I used to pray for times like this type shit. And like I said, I'm shooting for like I'm not gonna stop. Like even if we reach day 500, bro, like I'm not gonna stop, bro. And it's only gonna go up from here. What firm was that? Shit, should I give them like a free promotion? Nah, I don't want. I don't think I'm gonna say, brother. Not gonna lie, I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna say nothing because they weren't sketchy. They weren't sketchy. I mean, like I said, they were big in the market that wasn't mine, and they're trying to expand to more parts of the world. And I was gonna be their first partner slash ambassador, but that it comes with a huge risk. But it's high risk, high reward, right? But still, like I didn't wanna risk it. I think I value more the community. I value more the sense of having a good reputation. I don't want to be a sellout. 3 minutes CRT. Let's see, 3 minutes CRT. We do have a 3 minute CRT, in fact. Do we want to get cooked with shorts again, though? That's the question. We have 15 more minutes. 15 more minutes, but I am gonna do the due diligence. I had messaged Apex when I had which this was like last week. I messaged them and I had 200 followers, but I had a video hit for like 10K. And I messaged them and like, oh, I'd like to partner an affiliate, and they were like, bro, put the fries in the bag. That's what they said in the email, actually, word by word. They said put the fries in the bag, and I was like, all right, I'll get back to y'all later. So I think later, a week later, is a good time. The numbers have been pumping on the social media, and I'm gonna see if I could get some accounts as a Christmas gift. That's why you should document your journey. You never know what happens. You'll fuck around and might be profitable. And then you're gonna have these prop firms fucking fuel your gambling addiction bro. What else do you want? My family ain't getting shit out. Bro, for real, dog. I was looking to get a payout for Christmas, get some presents. But you're right, bro. My family ain't getting shit, dog. You cooked with that one. Is that an order block at the bottom there? There's an order block here. Right there. 15 more minutes for the macro. We're gonna wait. 100%. The Discord's been popping off as well. Like, I appreciate y'all. Like, just, I don't know. I love the community, bro. For real. Like, I fucking love the community. It's growing fucking strong and super active. It's only gonna get bigger. It's only gonna get crazier, bro. And then there's still a lot to do too. Like this is just beginning. That's super exciting. This is just the beginning for real of something big. If y'all don't mind liking and subscribing, I would highly appreciate it. If y'all enjoy the streams, we're looking for a trade here in the second macro, third macro. I was planning so many presents for them. Thank God I didn't mention to my wife I was close to a payout. Bro, for real, dog. I mean, yeah, for real. I was close to a payout as well. Womp womp womp. One green day away from a payout. Could still happen. Maybe next Christmas for real, Doug. For real. I mean, I do love me a good comeback story. That would be insane content. Bringing it back to $2,000. I mean, a 5 win streak following the strat, 5 win streaks is $3,000. So I'm praying for that. But we're gonna follow our rules, of course. Hopefully, we make it happen. If y'all don't mind liking the stream so it reaches more people, I would highly appreciate it. I don't make no money off this shit. No nothing. Just want to get more exposure. Hopefully in the future monetize on YouTube. But first I need to reach 500 subs. I think I'm like 220 right now. Probably. Um there's a video that I'm probably not gonna upload today, quite honestly. But I'll upload it in the weekend. Regarding the whole Road to Glory roadmap, including the strat, the risk management, the trade management. I want to be super clear on that. So it helps me. I could go back to the video, remind me what the hell I'm doing, what the plan is. Isn't there a reasoning behind why December price action is so chop? I mean, yeah, end of the year, end of the quarter. Um, Usually shit slows down. We had earnings last month. Things te- things tend to cool off, but I mean, the price action is shit, but we've been pumping, bro. Like we've been pumping. Like from December 1st to today, look at this week's pump, bro. Like we're about to reach fucking all-time highs. I mean, I mean, it's kind of sus, bro. Like I'm super sketched out. Why the fuck this shit is pumping? It's inevitable for me to think that a drop is bound to happen. I don't know, bro. We always say that. We always think that, and it just keeps pumping. Like usually the first 2 weeks are normal. The last two really get really choppy. Yeah. I mean the price action intraday hasn't been the best. A lot of wicks. But I mean we looked at the previous weeks and I mean this week specifically, and there's been some unicorns that played out. We just haven't capitalized. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna take the last 2 weeks off for sure. We're waiting for the macro. Just about to start. We're consolidating a bit. I'm scared it wants to keep pushing. We're waiting here for the macro. It's Friday. That's a good thing. Um, some time off the charts, off the stream. Collect my thoughts. We had a brutal week, bittersweet week. A lot of copium, a lot of regret, a lot of feelings of should've, would've. I need to channel that. It feels very good and comforting that the strategy works. It's just me that doesn't work, apparently. But we good. We feel super good, actually. You still up? Yes, I am. Still up, brother. It's all good. We're waiting 5 more minutes here for the macro. I'm gonna get. I have 2 trades left in the account. If we die, we die with dignity. We're gonna sink. The captain has to sink with the ship. But I'm gonna leave 1 trade for Monday. That would be insane content if I come back. That would be insane. It just give me 1 win. 1 win. If we inverse the 15-minute FVG, I'm gonna short into Oblivion. Good luck, brother. I mean, there's a lot of fucking sell side, but we're still pumping. This is very discouraging. Macro's about to start. Market's just consolidating right now. Right now it is, but macro's about to start and watch the movement come in the macro. Like, why can't it just be like super clean where we have an accumulation, we manipulate higher, we inverse into a beautiful unicorn, and we just short like 200 points. Now I make $2,000 back. Is that like too much to ask? We have a 3 minute here, 3 minute OB that we're inversing. Let me look at the daily. We just missed the daily FVG. We did sweep all this liquidity though. I mean, it's bound to get exhausted, right? Or is it still going to keep pushing for those equal highs and we should be looking for longs? That's where it gets iffy and tricky. We do have a unicorn here playing out. There is a clear unicorn right there. 5 minute PA looking fire. We do have this 5 minute inverse. It's bottom of the range. We want to see if we wick up here. About 25 points. Just around 6 contracts. Targeting maybe the midpoint of this OB. We have a market structure. Not yet a market structure shift in ES, but we did leave a gap. We're waiting. I mean, then again, we're trading inside of a 5 minute PD array. After, I mean, it was, yeah, 5 minute PD array. After accumulating, we could manipulate and distribute higher. That could definitely happen. So I'm not gonna enter immediately off the tap. I want to see some sort of reaction if we tap. That is if we tap. You ever trade the unicorn on the higher time frames? I mean, I traded at most in the 5 minute. That's the highest I'll go. I would love to see a 3 minute tap off this bag, off this unicorn. We still don't see a clean market structure shift on ES. We do have a 5 minute order block right here that we can enter off of. We're waiting. Price is developing. This is what I mean. Look at how we consolidated, and then the macro starts and it starts moving. Price starts seeking liquidity. That's why we only trade macros. This could very well be a wick. Like there's no top wick. Be careful. There is no top wick here in the 15-minute. Do we want to align with the higher time frame? Trading off this 1 minute imbalance. There's still some higher time frame buy side liquidity. Why not candle closure from FVG? It always works. And we missed the move. No, no, no. We need to have an efficient unicorn. The unicorn has worked all week, brother. All week it's worked. We just haven't been able to capitalize, but it's worked. And we've entered. Just the trade management. I had some people on stream make money, but I wasn't able to capitalize. We have no top wick. We might align ourselves with the higher time frame, look for longs. We want to see a unicorn. ES is displacing beautifully. ES is actually leaving a gap. So is NQ. Aligning ourselves with the higher time frame. Three seconds. Three, two, one. You can see the 15-minute left, no top wick, and look, now it's reversed. We want to see a leave a gap. ES is leaving a gap beautifully. We're watching ES closely as well. I'll answer your macro question in a bit. Give me a second. We did leave a gap right there. About a 20-point stop loss. Target the highs up here. Limit buy. I think it should be 7 contracts. I'm probably gonna open 2 more. If we get tapped. ES tapped. Wanna get tapped on NQ? Come on. ES tapped. Mm, ES tapped. I'm gonna wait for candle close.
Order filled.
We got tapped. I'm gonna open 2 more contracts. Or I'm gonna wait. I could just adjust. Whoa, 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 whoa. Deep retrace, hella deep. That's gonna be a quick trade. Come on, we want to see a reject. Give me a good rejection. Come on. We're out. Fuck.
Order filled.
That was fucking quick. Deep retracement, bro. There's SMTs at the lows. What were the confluences? I missed the action. 1 minute unicorn paired with the S. Both swept liquidity, both inside of a bullish FVG, still higher time frame. Liquidity to be taken. But we got absolutely cooked. They'll be dead, bro. Survive another day. That's all that matters. God damn, bro. We have one more trade left in the account. Brutal. We got powered of 3. I think narrative is killing you, bro. Maybe. We inverse this 5 minute breaker. Also, if you go live to back test other days, it would be great confidence booster for sure. I mean, I have confidence in my setup. Um, I have conviction of the unicorn. I know it works. Yeah, I enjoyed the last backtesting stream. Could definitely do a backtest. Now we're just gonna dump. I'm gonna see if ES had anything. Not really. What a dump. Again, no top wick. Volume is little low, bro. Good job on keep yourself composed after the losing streak. I'll take it. We have a long way to dump if this isn't just a normal retracement. Oh, volume as in audio. You hear me? You hear me? Let's see. I have the audio right here. I mean, I think this is as high as it goes. Think so. No top wick on ES either. Could we target these lows? Just needed 100 for payout. I mean, we're about to get a 5-minute unicorn here. 30 seconds. We might. Just to drown with the boat. Make some good content. Or come back. Hopeful and optimistic. See, we get a 5 minute tap. My last bullet. We did not get a 5 minute tap. FBGOT. That would be sick as fuck. This could be our last trade if we get tapped. I'm gonna risk the full. Well, I do only have 300 left. So that's what I'm gonna risk, which is going to be just about right there. Mm, probably want to give myself more room though. Just around there so I could get a little bit more breathing room if we get tapped. Doesn't look like we're gonna get tapped. 10 more minutes for the macro. Price kind of started to slow down. We're gonna get one more 5 minute candle before we invalidate this trade idea. Mm, doesn't look like it's gonna come back. It's respecting this order block. Done for today. It's Friday. We'll be trading third macro. It is Friday. Oh, do we want to carry this out to Monday? I'm away for Monday. It's Saturday now here in Philippines. God damn. It's midnight. That's crazy. It's barely 10 a.m. here where I'm at. Shit, I don't know. Like, I'd rather start a fresh account on Monday or something. Quite honestly. We gonna come back that account? On the Express, if you go past the $200, I think they give you like $100 buffer. So I have $300 left to the trade. Um, but once you blow it, you blow it. You still like Top Step more than Alpha? I mean, I've never used any other prop firm than Top Step TVH, but I would love to get sponsored by Alpha. I would switch to Alpha in a heartbeat. But I'm trying to get that sponsorship. I need to after stream. Yeah, I think I'm gonna carry it till Monday. Comeback season. You boys are right. I'm not gonna fucking trade the last macro, bro. Like, there. What is the rush to make it all back right now, bro? I'd rather breathe and just cope a little bit. Maybe back test this week to see what I should have done differently. Um, because overall we had a good week. Unfortunately, our P&L does not reflect it. Can't be too mad about it. Um, but yeah, I'm gonna lock myself out so I don't do anything stupid off stream. Yeah, I'm gonna call it, boys. I'm gonna get some breakfast. I'm gonna cry myself to sleep. If you haven't already, like, subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm sorry we couldn't make money. Come back on Monday. Wanna do a chess game? Let's do a chess game, brother. Alright. To end the stream, let's do a fucking chess game. Not rated, 10 minutes. Challenge link. Good luck, brother. I'm gonna send the link in the chat. Hopefully you click it. Damn. Hey, but you're gonna be able to see my moves, bro. Nah, I'm kidding. Just end the stream. Quick chess match. This shit is dumping on the side of my screen. What the hell? Big dumping. Maybe future chess tournament for account if you're affiliate already on a firm, bro. Oh, that'd be dope, brother. Actually, that'd be fucking dope. Thanks for the idea. I would love that. We're having a good match here, actually. I'm gonna get affiliate this week, this weekend. Count on it. I just got on. What happened? Fuck, good thing you just got on. We're down to 300. We're down to our last 300. I was gonna gamble it today, but my stream talked me out of it. We're gonna wait till Monday to bring the account back. Wait. What? Oh, okay. Oh, I see. We're having a very, very good tight game. Cheers for the learning week and the information you shared. Profit comes in many forms. See you Monday. All right, brother, I got you. I'll see you Monday for sure. Count on it. Some big things coming. Big things coming. Life is good. We're having a very good match here. Very positional, very closed, equal game. It's not the end of the world. You follow your risk management and you get to trade another day. If you're risking the last 200 on Monday, make sure it's an A plus setup. Trust yourself. You got this. Thank you. I got this for sure. We're chilling. I mean, bittersweet week. Honestly, I'm gonna cope a little bit, but should have been a green week. I'm only human. Learn from it. Move on. It's all good. Life is good. Life is super good, actually. Mm. Ooh, but I don't want that. That could be terrible for me. Let's do it anyway, though. Oh no, probably not the best. Probably not the best. Is that bishop trapped? Maybe. Okay, well played. How do I want to do this? Takes, 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 takes. Yeah. We had one person here, now we have seven. What is going on? Is the match this good? We're having a very close match. I'm only up a pawn. We don't want to see him get in here. But he has a very solid pawn structure, which we need to be careful with. Okay. Okay. I'm not gonna say anything because this guy's in here, but I think. Oh, okay. I think I had just blundered there, but. Let's get crazy with it. Getting tricky with it. You got me. You got me. It's a nail biter. It's a fucking nail biter. Mm. It's a nail biter. It's a nail biter. GG's, brother. What a good game. Holy shit. GG, bro. GG. What a good game. I could look to doing a tourney in the weekend. I mean, we have a lot of people in the community. There's probably people that play chess, but I'll look forward to it. All right, I'm gonna have some breakfast. I'm gonna edit the video. I'm gonna send some emails. I appreciate you all. I love you all for real. I'll catch you on Monday, or maybe I'll do a stream on the weekend. Take care, brothers. Have a good one.